Want to ace IELTS writing in just 7 days? Keep watching to unlock expert strategies that'll have you writing like a pro. IELTS writing has 2 tasks. Task 1 is about describing data, and Task 2 is an essay. Each requires a different approach. Task 1 is about summarizing information. Think graphs, charts, or diagrams. Task 2 is all about arguing a point, so you'll need a clear structure. Tip: get familiar with the requirements of each task. Practice both to know what you're doing on test day. Stuck on how to start? Planning is your secret weapon to success. Spending a few minutes planning can make all the difference. You need a clear idea of your argument or the data you'll describe before jumping into writing. It saves time in the long run. Tip: for Task 1, make quick notes on key trends. For Task 2, outline your main argument and the points you'll cover in each paragraph. A little planning goes a long way. Struggling with time? Here's how you can manage it like a pro and finish both tasks comfortably. Managing your time is critical during the IELTS writing test. You have 20 minutes for Task 1 and 40 minutes for Task 2, but don't rush through them. Aim for a steady pace to leave time for proofreading. Tip: practice writing within the time limit during your preparation. This builds your ability to stay calm and organized under pressure. Want to make your writing stand out? It's all about cohesion and coherence. Good writing should flow logically. Use linking words like "for instance," "on the other hand," and "in conclusion" to make sure your ideas connect smoothly. Looking to elevate your vocabulary? Here's how to sound more polished without going overboard. Use a variety of vocabulary, but don't force difficult words in if they don't fit. A strong range is important, but correct usage is more so. Tip: practice using synonyms. For example, instead of repeating important, try essential, crucial, or vital. Just make sure your word choices are natural and appropriate. Want a proven strategy to succeed? Practice like it's the real test. Simulating real exam conditions during your practice sessions is key to success. Set a timer for Task 1 and Task 2 and make sure to write within the allotted time. Tip: after writing, review your work critically. Identify areas for improvement and keep practicing to enhance your speed and accuracy. Don't forget the final step, proofreading. After you finish, take a minute or 2 to proofread. Check for spelling mistakes, grammar errors, and awkward sentences. Small mistakes can affect your score. Tip: read your work aloud or even have someone else check it to spot errors you may have missed. Want more IELTS tips to boost your score? Subscribe now for more expert advice and stay updated.